Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So before we get into it, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps us to fight the algorithm and push the message of help you'll serve out to a broader audience. Also in the comment section below you will see my Patreon, where I offer a wide range of spiritual services including one-on-one tutoring, etc, etc. Also you will see Spirit Shack, so if you are wanting any paranormal equipment or you are wanting any divination tools, check out the link in the description below. What are we going to be speaking about in today's video? So first of all, a very good question come in last night on the live, and I thought I would bring it to everyone's attention, because at some point you are all going to come across this question, you are all going to come across this. Time served. Because somebody has done something longer than you, does that mean that they have the right to tell you that you're doing it wrong, or does that mean that they have a lot more knowledge than what you do? Definitely not. And I'm going to tell you the reason why this just simply isn't true. Because first of all, this is about putting yourself out of your comfort zone. This is about you as a person on your own journey. You know, you are going to have a lot of people, okay? So for anyone who goes into circles, spiritualist churches or anything, you're going to have people who've been in there and done it for 40 years. Does that mean to say that they are accurate? No. Does that mean to say that the understanding that they have is the right understanding? No, because guess what, okay? There is just the understanding that works for you. What works for somebody else may not work for you. And by you having the mindset that, well, actually they've done it for 40 years, I'm going to listen to them, it's going to prevent you from development and hinder your spiritual development. So remember this. I'm going to give you the example here. It's going to make a lot more logical sense for me to give you the example. So I was asked by a viewer, how long have I done tarot for? Now, I've done tarot for about 5 years. Give or take, you know, maybe it's a bit longer, maybe it's a bit less. I honestly couldn't tell you, because it's not something I keep track of. It's not something that I'm bothered by. And the question was, well, if I've done tarot for 30 years, doesn't that mean to say that I know more than you? And the answer is simply no, okay? And I'm going to tell you all the reason why. If you ever come across this sort of conversation or this comment in any part of your spiritual development, remember this, you need to understand this. It's irrelevant how long somebody's done it for. Their work speaks for itself. Their abilities speak for themselves. So if you are put off by the fact that somebody's done it for 30 years and they say to you, you're wrong, then you say, I'm sorry, I'm not wrong. I'm going to do it my way. This is the way that works for me. Because I know that, I mean, the individual who made this comment, like I say, it was a really good question. And that's why I've made a video on it. I'm not going to mention the individual's name, just in case they didn't want us to. But this is something that you are going to come across. You are going to come across a lot of people in this line of work, or, you know, who believe because they have done this longer, they are right. And I'm sorry, that's not the case. You can have somebody who is in development and hasn't come out of their comfort zone for over 30 years and still not be further progressed than somebody who's been doing this for 1 year, who is very much out of their comfort zone and is very much actively working alongside the spirit world. So that's why I wanted to raise it, because, you know, a lot of times we are going to come across this. Somebody who believes that they have a better understanding because they've done it for longer, or they've read more books, or it holds no value whatsoever. Your personal connection is what is important here, your ability to connect and the lessons that you have learned with your own teams. So I guess the message from this video is just to understand to value yourself. It's irrelevant what anyone else thinks, says, or, you know, what they believe that they have been through in terms of their journey, because their journey is their journey. It's not your journey. And you have to understand this from the very beginning. Otherwise, you are going to be lured into this false sense of security where, because Jane from up the street has said, well, actually, I've been a tarot reader for 30 years, and you're doing this wrong. Because fun fact, everyone, okay, there's going to be a lot of tarot readers out there who will look at what I do and say, Jordan, you're completely wrong. We didn't learn it that way. We didn't learn it. The tarot books don't say it that way. Well, guess what? You don't need to read tarot books. You don't need to do it any way that you have been conditioned. You have to just use tarot or any other form of divination freely. It's a tool. You don't have to do it a set way. And guess what? My readings are always 100% accurate. So I would love to know, you know, people who argue the fact of the way that I do things. how I can do things this way and how I can do it with such accuracy on every occasion. when other people who exercise their abilities, or you know, they've read books and they know all of the symbiology, because yes, I know the symbiology, but it's irrelevant. It really is irrelevant. How I can get all of my readings 100% accurate. I mean, I always say, everyone, you know, I let my work speak for itself. My work speaks for itself. I've never once had to advertise tarot reading. I've done thousands of readings now. And it's one of those things where, guess what? I've never had a reading that somebody's went, oh, I can't understand that. And why? Because I ensure that I deliver the message in a way that they are going to understand it. Which, again, comes with experience. It comes with reading, obviously the information that comes from spirit, or using the intuition, guidance, source, yada yada, whatever you want to use. So that video there was just a little bit of a quick insight, because I know there's going to be a lot of you who are going to be put off by Brenda from along the street. She's got 35 years and she's told you can't do it because you're unprotected, or you can't do it because you've got the wrong attitude, or you've got the wrong, you know, you just don't have the gifts that she has. Get rid of that. That does not serve you, and it does not serve what you are trying to do here. Again, like I say, thank you for the viewer who raised the question, because it was something I hadn't even thought about till the question come in, if I'm honest. And I thought, you know what it is? There's going to be a lot of people who are put off by people who've got lots of experience. And, you know, it's one of those things when you have the look that I've just give you, and you have a little bit of a different take on it. You know, it doesn't matter how long you are doing something. You are going to have somebody who's been doing what I do for 30 years, and they may have not stepped out of their town. They may have not stepped out of, you know, the little circle that they work in. I've done readings for people worldwide. I've done readings for people that I don't know. I don't even need to look at the people. And it's one of those things where that catapults me well further ahead than somebody who is in their comfort zone, because I always take myself out of my comfort zone. You've got to be able to spiritually grow. You've got to be able to understand and learn from different situations. If you're somebody who's just done free readings all of your life, then there's nothing wrong with that. But remember, the problem that we have with doing free readings is we aren't getting the full truths. What do I mean by that? When you are doing something for free, in the service for free, a lot of people are just going to say, yeah, I understand, that was amazing reading, thank you, because it's free. When you start taking payments, and when you start charging people for the services, and you put that intent into delivering the service, then believe you and me, when you are getting things wrong, you are going to find out very, very quick. And that's not because we're greedy, it's because it's a service. You wouldn't go to a mechanic and get your car fixed for free. You wouldn't go to a doctor and get the service for free. Well, if you're on the NHS, you might. But that's the point I'm trying to make there. You've got to value yourself. And if you value yourself, then, you know, it's all good, with all good intentions, giving services for free in terms of doing tarot reading. Completely get that. But remember, at some point, for you to take yourself out of your comfort zone, because that's what it is, you have to put yourself out there. You have to say, right, I'm going to start charging now. Because then when you give a reading, if somebody says, well, actually, I've just paid £30 for that reading and I haven't got a clue what you are going on about, guess what? They're going to tell you. And that's when you can start going, whoa, hang on. That's when you're going to start learning very, very quick. So I've got nothing against people doing tarot reading for free. Please understand, if you are somebody that does that, then, you know, I'm not having to go. But you need to understand, when you are doing tarot reading for free, the masses are going to enjoy it. Everyone loves something for free, and everyone's going to say, oh yeah, I love that reading, it was really good. But when you are doing them paid, this is when people are going to naturally say, well, actually, I've just paid for that. I didn't understand that. You need to do something. That's when you are going to learn a lot quicker. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. I hope you found something interesting from this video. Like I say, it was raised last night on a live, and I thought it was actually a very, very good question. And again, I knew that there was going to be a lot of people who would have been put off by that sort of a question, in terms of, you know, they may have not even wanted to mention anything. If somebody's got so many years of using a certain apparatus, then they're not going to challenge that individual. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not that person, and I'll tell it how it is, and I'll always speak my own truth. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching, for your continued support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye for now.